Hey there! Welcome back to PersonaScope. Today, we've got a video that's going to give you some major insights into your love life. We're talking about how MBTI affects your love life. Yes, the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator isn't just for self-discovery. It can also be a game changer in your relationships. So, if you're curious, stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. 1. Unlocking your personality. Understanding how MBTI affects your love life begins with unlocking your personality. You see, the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator is a powerful tool that categorizes personalities into 16 distinct types, each with its unique set of traits and tendencies. These types are derived from 4 key dichotomies. Extroversion, E, versus introversion, I. This defines how you gain energy. Extroverts draw energy from the external world and social interactions, while introverts gain energy from their inner thoughts and solitude. Sensing, S, versus intuition, N. This influences how you gather information. Sensors rely on their 5 senses and tangible data, while intuitives focus on patterns, possibilities, and future implications. Thinking, T, versus feeling, F. Here, we consider how you make decisions. Thinkers prioritize logic, reason, and objective analysis, whereas feelers rely on emotions, values, and empathy. Judging, J, versus perceiving, P. This last dichotomy affects your lifestyle. Judgers prefer structure, planning, and decision-making, while perceivers are adaptable, spontaneous, and open to new information. Understanding where you fall on these dichotomies and the combination of your preferences leads to one of the 16 personality types, like INFP, ESTJ, or ENFJ. Now, you might be wondering, how does this apply to my love life? Well, your MBTI type can provide valuable insights into how you approach relationships, what you seek in a partner, and how you can effectively communicate and connect. For example, if you're an introverted feeler, you might value deep emotional connections and appreciate partners who are empathetic and sensitive. If you're an extroverted thinker, ET, you might prioritize practicality and appreciate partners who are goal-oriented and logical. If you're a perceiving sensor, PS, you might be open to spontaneity and value partners who keep things exciting. If you're a judging intuitive, JI, you might prefer a structured approach to relationships and appreciate partners who are future-focused and imaginative. The key takeaway is that understanding your MBTI type allows you to recognize your strengths and potential challenges in relationships. It can guide you in finding a partner whose personality complements yours, creating a more harmonious and fulfilling love life. 2. Compatibility. Have you ever wondered why some couples seem to effortlessly click while others face constant challenges? Well, your MBTI personality type might hold the answer. It's not about pigeonholing individuals. It's about recognizing that some personality types naturally complement each other. Let's explore a few examples. Opposites attract. Sometimes, people with opposing personality traits find each other irresistibly intriguing. For instance, an introverted intuitive, EN, might be drawn to an extroverted sensor, ES, for their spontaneity and grounded nature. These differences can create a dynamic and exciting relationship. Similarity breeds connection. On the other hand, some people are drawn to those with similar traits. Two feeling judgers, FJ for instance, might bond over their shared emotional depth and desire for structure in their relationship. Their similarities can create a deep understanding. The balanced duo. Balance is the key to many successful relationships. A thinking perceiver, TP, can balance a feeling judger, FJ, ensuring that decisions are both rational and considerate of emotions. Shared values. People who share similar values and life goals often make strong connections. An intuitive perceiver, NP, and intuitive judger, NJ, might both be future-focused, leading to shared dreams and aspirations. It's important to remember that no combination is inherently good or bad. The key is self-awareness and communication. Understanding your compatibility with your partner based on your MBTI types can help you appreciate each other's strengths and work together to address potential challenges. 3. Communication styles. Communication is how we express our thoughts, feelings, and needs to our partners. But have you ever noticed that different people communicate in different ways? Understanding your MBTI type's communication style can be a game changer in your love life. Let's break it down. Extroversion, E versus introversion. I. Extroverts tend to be outgoing and expressive. They're more likely to share their thoughts and feelings openly. On the other hand, introverts may need some quiet time to process their thoughts before they're ready to talk. Sensing, S versus intuition. N. Sensors focus on concrete details and facts. They communicate with a preference for real-world, tangible information. Intuitives, on the other hand, are more abstract and imaginative in their communication, often exploring possibilities and big-picture ideas. Thinking, T versus feeling. F. Thinkers value logic and reason in their communication. They'll often express themselves by presenting facts and analysis. Feelers, on the other hand, prioritize emotions and values, and their communication is centered around empathy and understanding. Judging, J versus perceiving. P. Judgers like structure and order in their communication. They prefer to make plans and decisions ahead of time. Perceivers, however, are more spontaneous in their communication, often adapting to the situation as it unfolds. For example, let's say you're a feeling perceiver, FP, and your partner is a thinking judger, TJ. You might find that in conflicts, you want to discuss the emotional aspects of the issue, whereas your partner may be more focused on finding practical solutions. Recognizing these differences can help you avoid misunderstandings and find a more effective way to communicate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow MBTI enthusiasts and loved ones. 4. Love languages. Love is a universal language, but it's often spoken in different dialects. That's where your MBTI personality type comes in. It can help you decode and speak the love language of your partner. We're talking about the famous 5 love languages, as proposed by Dr. Gary Chapman. Words of affirmation. Some people feel most loved when they receive verbal compliments, encouragement, and appreciation. If you're a words of affirmation person, you value these heartfelt words from your partner. Quality time. For others, quality time spent together is the ultimate expression of love. It's all about undivided attention and meaningful conversations. Acts of service. If you're in the acts of service category, you feel loved when your partner goes out of their way to do something helpful, like cooking a meal or helping with chores. Receiving gifts. Some individuals appreciate tangible symbols of love. It's not about the cost, but the thought and effort behind the gift. Physical touch. For many, physical touch, whether it's a hug, a kiss, or simply holding hands, is how they connect and feel cherished. Now, how does this relate to your MBTI personality type? Feeling types, F, tend to be more in tune with emotions and might lean towards words of affirmation or quality time. Thinking types, T, might show love through acts of service or receiving gifts, as they tend to be practical and logical. Introverts, I, may prefer quality time or acts of service, valuing more intimate expressions of love. Extroverts, E, may be more inclined to show love through words of affirmation or physical touch, as they thrive on social interactions. By understanding your and your partner's love languages and how they align with your MBTI types, you can tailor your expressions of love to make your partner feel truly cherished. 5. Conflict resolution. Conflicts are a natural part of any relationship. But did you know that your MBTI personality type can play a pivotal role in how you approach and resolve these conflicts? Let's explore how. Different communication styles. For instance, if you're a feeling perceiver, FP, you might approach conflicts with a focus on emotions and flexibility. On the other hand, a thinking judger, TJ, might lean towards logical and structured solutions. Understanding these differences is the first step in conflict resolution. Conflict triggers. Certain aspects of your MBTI type can be potential conflict triggers. For example, an introverted sensor, IS, might need alone time to recharge and find themselves in conflict with an extroverted feeler, EF, who craves social interaction. Recognizing these triggers can help you navigate potential conflicts more effectively. Problem-solving approaches. Sensing types, S, tend to be practical and solution-focused, while intuitive types, N, may prefer to explore underlying issues and possibilities. Thinking types, T, might emphasize objective analysis, while feeling types, F, focus on emotional considerations. By understanding your own and your partner's MBTI types, you gain insights into the root causes of conflicts, your natural inclinations in handling them, and how to find common ground. And there you have it, how MBTI affects your love life. Your personality type isn't just about understanding yourself, but also understanding your partner and building a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. If you found this video valuable, kindly click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and remember to enable notifications so you stay updated with our content. Keep progressing, and we look forward to seeing you again next time.